everybody, and welcome to Robin's house. Today I'm working on my Operation Smile cards, which are all generally birthday cards, but I set them up a little differently this year because they're all the same, but they're all different. So your kit will come with this photo of the 5 cards, designed how I designed them, and then some instructions for you. But what it basically is all of your pieces will be in one card because you're creating 5 identical cards that will have the same design but look different. So we've got our decoration pieces up here. I'm going to put those to the side. So each of your cards uses 5 strips of paper in some design. Now, if you want to, you can copy mine doing the same exact design. So like one card would have that second and this strip first, and this strip, and then this strip, and then this strip. And what I did was I took all mine and made them all in a different order. So you can see that I had the green one, for example, on the left or on the right, and then next to right, in the middle, in the left, and I next to right again. So, but there's no right or wrong. I tried to separate my blues and my greens a little bit, and my pinks a little bit. But other than that, there's no rhyme or reason. I just wanted to show you. So each one, you just take your strips and you put them in a different order. You can put them exactly in the order that they come in the layout if you want, or you can put them in any order. And then the next step is to get your message. And you can decide if you want your message to come in from the right, or if you want your message to come in from the left. And when you do, you'll just cut off just a little triangle off one end and a little triangle off either way, and then draw your journaling pen line around it just to add some color and some black. And then you use all these shapes. They've been pre-cut for you, pre-die cut. And then, so I just made one be an art card, one be a bookish card, one be a tea and reading maybe, one be coffee, and one be kind of plants and flowers. But you can use those shapes and combine them in any way you want to create the cards that you want. So very easy, very recreatable. And so I hope you enjoy the Operation Smile Cards with Robin project. Thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.